Hello, Vlogtober day 2. Today is Saturday. We have been working outside. That is why I look the way I do. We've been just cleaning up a bunch of our yard to get ready for winter and to get rid of a lot of the construction stuff that we've been using, that we've been just putting outside because it's like leftover scraps and my husband thinks maybe he could use them. He may be a tiny bit of a hoarder, but whatever. Anyway, other than that, that's all we're doing. So I will kind of show you what we're doing. We did do some yard work outside. If you're, I don't know, this might be like the most boring Vlogtober ever, but this is real life. This is what we're doing. We just went and got us a Fizz drink and some lunch, and we need to get out there and get busy again. This is embarrassing, but this was completely full of wood. I will show you what it looks like. But yeah, obviously we're painting our house, and so we needed to get all this cleaned out. It's covered, and so we've just been keeping anything that we didn't want to get wet or dirty in here, but it's just a mess now. It actually looked better before it does, oh my goodness. It looked better before with all the stuff in there than it does now. So let me show you all of the wood that we took out of here. You can kind of see a little bit out there. That's what we're keeping. But let me show you what we're getting rid of. Okay, so we're getting rid of all of this. It's a ton. It's a ton of wood. Absolutely insane amount. Last weekend when I moved these all out here, they were over by my porch. Mums do not do good in full sun. I know people say sun, but these have been in the full sun, and literally the next day they all died. So I need to replace all of my mums. I don't know if I will or not, but yeah, this one still looks really great, but those ones don't, and we need to clean up all the leaves. But let me give you a little sneak peek of the house. Nothing is pretty right now around here. Nothing. We've got stuff everywhere, but this is the house with primer on them. If you don't remember this, our house was the color of our door, so it looks so much different. If you can kind of tell over here, this color right here, this is the color that we're gonna do on the brick. The soffit up here is all painted in Silos white. It's a magnolia color. It's perfect. And then once everything's painted, we're gonna build a deck or a porch on the front there. It looks so pretty. And we're gonna replace the front door. So it's eventually gonna look good, but definitely has to look worse before it gets better. And then Isaac and I have been clearing this stupid flower bed out. It was all covered in rocks and weeds and a bunch of dead plants, and it's been like that way all summer, and we're trying so hard to get it cleaned out before fall. And so next year this will just be all ready for me to put whatever I want in here. But this is what it all looked like. So we have gotten most of the rock out, but it is just seriously so much work. So freaking much work. But we're doing it. We're doing it. Okay, here's the after. We showed you what it looks like before. I'm not gonna show you over there because it's not clean. It's just like equipment, our Traeger, stuff like that needs to go back in here once it's all done. But can you even imagine? Can you even believe the difference? It's so crazy. So this will all be bright white and gray soon. I don't know. I'm thinking of doing something on the ground later next year because over on our walkways we have like these red diamonds, like the same color as our ugly brick, that they've got to go. I can't stand them. So next year's project though, we're just going to try to get this painted and weather rise because it's starting to get cold and we're running out of time. All right, you guys, it's 8 o'clock and I'm tired. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Not every day is gonna be a vlog, like this kind of vlog, but this is what I do. Typically on Saturdays, we work a lot. So this is what I was up to today. I thought it would be fun, but like to throw in, I'm always looking for people to follow on YouTube or Instagram, but and I wanted to share a couple with you. You probably are following all of these ladies because they're all amazing and they're all big YouTubers. But the first one is Jenna Pierce, I think is how you say it. She's actually new follow for me, but her style is so good. This is a home decor account. And then another one I love is, like, I adore her. I just think she is, like, you could definitely tell that she is genuine. You would, if you met her in real life, you would get the same version of her. And that is, why can't I think of her name? Hillary from Old World Home. You guys, I just adore her. I love her. Definitely watch her every time she puts a video up. And then lastly is Liz from Traditions by the Season. I had to look, I know it was Tradition something. I don't usually know like channel names, but I know the people. So I'm gonna leave them linked below. I think you should check them out. Like, I just love people, love them as people, not even necessarily, oh, there's a stupid fly. Not necessarily, you know, I love their content too, obviously, but two are home decor and one, Hillary does share some home decor, but she just is like mom life, and I just love her. So you should check her out. But anyway, I will end here and I will see you guys tomorrow. See ya. Have a good night.